Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 8000 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to go to the right in order to change the mode to the video. So now we can enter the options and go to the right. As you can see here, we've got the video resolution options actually, and here we've got three different from which we can choose. Right now we've got set high, but you can also set standard and low, so it's really up to which option you like to use. Let me pick standard, for example, just mark it and press it. As you can see here, we've got the information that the resolution has been changed successfully, but I highly recommend to leave it high. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your Nokia 8000. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.